Hi everyone, good morning. Today video is going to see chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Reaction to halogens group. All the alkaline earth metals combine with halogen at elevated temperatures to form their halides. Halides X2 um, M called metals. Metal means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radon. Halogens group X called F fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. First reactions, thermal decompositions of ammonium, beryllium fluoride, tetrafluoride is best route for the preparations of beryllium fluoride. Beryllium chloride is conveniently made from the oxide. Beryllium oxide react to carbon, react to chlorine, product beryllium chloride plus carbon monoxide. Now the reaction to halogens. First one beryllium, second one magnesium, third one calcium, fourth one barium. Beryllium oxide react to carbon, react to chlorine. Some product beryllium chloride. Same the another reaction. Now see the picture. Beryllium oxide added carbon, added chlorine, beryllium chloride plus additional product of carbon monoxide. Any one alkaline earth metal react to halogens group metal chloride or metal chloride, metal bromide, metal fluoride, metal iodide, any one products of present. The reaction to hydrogen. All the elements except beryllium combine with hydrogen on heating to form the hydrates with general formula metal hydroxide. Metal hydrogen. Beryllium hydrogen can be prepared by the reactions of beryllium chloride and lithium alumino tetrahydrate. See these reactions. Beryllium chloride added lithium aluminium tetrahydride, product beryllium hydride, lithium chloride and aluminium trichloride. How the uses of alkaline earth metals. Beryllium, calcium, magnesium, strontium, radium, etc. The first one uses of beryllium. The beryllium a low atomic number and very low absorptions for X-rays. It is used as radiations windows for X-ray tubes and X-ray detectors. And the beryllium uses of second point, the beryllium uses sample holder in X-ray emissions studies usually made of beryllium. The third one, beryllium is transparent to energetic particles. It is used to build the beam pipe in accelerators. Then fourth point, low density and diamagnetic nature. It is used in various detectors. And these above uses of beryllium. Then another uses of magnesium. The first two uses of magnesium removal of sulfur from iron and steel. Refining, second point, refining of titanium in the Kroll process. Third point, photo engrave plates in printing industries. Fourth point, magnesium alloys are used in the aeroplane and missile constructions. Fifth one, magnesium ribbon is used in synthesis of Grignard reagent in organic synthesis. Magnesium organic uses of organic synthesis. Sixth point, as a desiccant. Eighth point, a sacrificial anode in controlling galvanic corrosion. The another one uses of calcium. A reducing agent. Calcium is the reducing agent. Metallurgy of uranium, zirconium, and thorium. Second point, it making cement and mortar to be used in constructions. Fourth point, getter in vacuum tubes, dehydrating oils, fertilizers, concrete and plasters of pass. The uses of calcium, concrete and plasters of pass. The another one uses of strontium. Strontium 90 is used in cancer therapy. Strontium is used in cancer therapy. Second point, strontium 87, strontium 86 radios are commonly used or marine investigations as well as in teeth tracking, animal migrations or in criminal forensics, dating of racks. Then another one, last one uses of barium. Barium used in metallurgy, its compounds are used in pyrotechnics, petroleum, mining and radiology. The another one's uses of barium alloys with nickel radi emits electrons hence used in electron tubes, parking bulk electrodes, the isotopes of barium 133 used as a source in the calibrations of gamma ray detectors in nuclear chemistry. Uses of radium used in self-luminous paints for watches, nuclear funnels, aircraft switches, clocks and instrument dials. This last one, general characteristic of the compounds of the alkaline earth metals. The general characteristics of oxides, oxides two types, monoxides, peroxides, hydroxides, halides, salts of oxo-oxides, carbonates. This is for the general characteristic of the compounds of the alkaline earth metals. First one, oxides. Generally, alkaline earth metals from monoxides and peroxides. First one, monoxides. Single carbon and single oxygen, monoxides. Any one metals, a single oxygen, monoxides, are obtained by heating the metal in oxygen. Beryllium oxide and magnesium oxide are almost insoluble in water. On the other hand, oxides of other elements from hydroxides. Beryllium oxide is amorphic, magnesium oxide is weakly basic, while calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxide are strongly basic. The second one, peroxides. Except beryllium, all the remaining metals from peroxides. It is prepared by heating monoxide with oxygen at high temperature. Barium oxides added to oxygen product barium dioxides, hydroxides, metal oxide, reactant to water, metal hydroxides, OH group hydroxides, O single O monoxides, double oxygen, two molecules of presence in the product oxygen peroxides, one molecules of oxygen present in the product monoxides. Hydroxides, OH twice, OH groups present in the product metal plus OH groups present in the product hydroxides group. The second one topic, halides. Alkaline earth metals form alkaloids with general formula metal added halogens group. They can be prepared by heating metals with halogens on heating. Metal added to halogens group, metal halogens groups. The another ones, halogens group, beryllium. See the structure, beryllium chloride, beryllium tetrachloride, beryllium pentachloride, A, B, C. See the picture. Beryllium chlorides, beryllium halides. The tendency to form halide hydrates gradually decreases. Magnesium chloride, tetrahydrate, calcium chloride, tetrahydrate, strontium chloride, beryllium chloride down the group. Salt of oxo acids. The alkaline earth metals from salts, oxo acids, some of these are given below. Carbonates, metals or carbonates react to metal oxide added carbon dioxide. The solubility of carbonates in water decreases down the group. The thermal stability increases down the group with increasing cationic size.